This is a short descriptive video about a Copal flip alarm clock, the model 231L, one of the few clocks that Copal did with black light and the corresponding yellow, well, the flaps aren't yellow but the digits are yellow digits on the flaps. This is a somewhat rare clock. It's not super rare. I come across them every now and then, but not very often, I'll be honest with you. It was available in 3 colors. This color you see the most. There was Harvest Gold, which is a yellowish color, and not sure of the name of the color, but an ivory, not white but ivory, kind of off-white maybe. Off-white, yeah, off-white might be better. Off-white kind of color. So 3 colors. It's a flip alarm clock. It's on a pedestal, and which makes it look kind of different from, you know, your box standard run-of-the-mill, if you can say that, Copal flip clock. When you take the clock when you open it up, like there's 2 halves of it. The front comes out, and the back, where the clockwork sits, is screwed into. Kind of stays put. So yeah, it's a flip alarm clock. There you turn on the alarm, you turn it off. There's 2 wheels on the side as usual. Larger one, smaller one. The smaller one goes anti-clockwise in this case. That's because the wheel is mounted on the other side, and the wheel to set the alarm goes clockwise. Again, that's because the knobs are on the other side. When they're on this side, maybe obviously but logically, you'll be setting the time by turning the knob clockwise, but because it's on the right side, it's anti-clockwise. This clock was in a reasonably good condition when I got it in. It's used, so it has traces of wear and tear. It's not mint, it's not perfect. There's not really any damage that's worth mentioning, or that's visible anyway. I don't think there's anything there really. I gave it a good clean on the inside, gave it a good polish on the outside. I replaced the black light, the original black light, with LED black light, with the custom made transformer for the, not for this flip clock, but for flip clocks basically, with this very small transformer which sits very flush in the pedestal in this case. I replaced, it was originally a European style clock, so I replaced the motor with the US style clock, so I was converted to US. It's plug and play in the US, or anywhere else in the world where you have 100 to 120 volts and 60 hertz. It's a 24-hour clock still, and yeah, I mean, I suppose, what more can you say about it? Not much. I replaced the lighting. I got a new cable, new plug. As I said, the case was polished on the outside, and this clock will be for sale on my shop, flip-alarmclock.com. If you're interested, go and have a look, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.